Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight I made a video about align and distribute, and a gentleman just emailed me or sent me a message and asked me why I just moved over one of the deals that I align and distribute. So let's go to range, align and distribute, open up the align and distribute Docker, and we're going to space these things out or distribute them equally. And there you have it. So that's what you do. You've got to have an ending point. I'm going to hold down the control button. You've got to have an ending and starting point for this to work. And what's so good about this, let's say, well, let's put an indexing line on this one. And we know that these four blocks are 7.2 inches wide. And we wanted this and the ending of the starting block to be, let's say, well, let's see how big this is already. 33 inches. Let's say we wanted them 35 inches apart. We could put our nudge distance on 35 inches, take our duplicate key, and move our guideline 35 inches, then while holding down the control key, so we don't have to do that. You could just move this over to that line, and then I would also put T to put them on top to get them equal. And then let's distribute them. Now, and I wasn't exactly on the money, they're 35.079 apart. That's because I've got my decimal place set pretty far. Let's set it down. Let's go to, I just did this tonight. Decimal place to 2. And now they are 35.01 apart. So I probably didn't have snap to. You can see I'm a little bit off. So let's do that again. This is Corel 19. I don't have anything set. Let's snap to guidelines. And now we're going to move that out of the way and move it till it snaps to that guideline. Now I'm also going to hit T to put them equally. And we know this one's 35 inches apart. So let's line and distribute now. They're still 35.01 apart. Let's tell you what, let's move this. We probably didn't have it at the start. So let's move this to the other end. And there's our problem right there. I didn't have it snapped to that. It doesn't seem like it's snapping. Yeah, there it did. So now when we line and distribute, they are 35 inches apart. So that's why you would do that. You could have these anywhere you wanted them. And line and distribute. And you could do the right side, the center, horizontally, but if you do one side or the other, they're going to be equally apart. That's why I moved just one. Doesn't matter how far out you move it, it's going to space them out equally. So that's why I did that in that previous video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.